Today we're going to fit some Lambretta DP panel stripes, and as you can see, these are the tools that we're going to use. A pair of scissors, ruler, cloth for smoothing down, and your Lambretta concessionaire's instructions, which you can download off of our website and print. First thing we need to do is separate the two halves with your scissors. We'll get rid of all the bits we don't need, taking care to keep left and right separate from each other. So obviously that goes there and that goes there. Now we need some measurements. We've put our measurements on the side panel as per the instructions. 88mm from the straight line at the bottom of the panel, and you can roughly see where the panel stripe is going to end up. As you can see, the front is 154mm from bottom to top, and that's approximately where the stripe bottom right hand corner will end, so you get some idea of alignment between the grille and the front. If you put your finger in the middle of the biggest stripe and use the middle grille rut as a guide to find the centre, and then you can align the edge of the sticker up with the front of the edge of the grille, taking it back down to where you took the measurement on the back, just keeping it off the panel, and you can approximately look over the top before you apply the sticker, starting at one end, working towards the other, pushing the air out as you go. Push all of the air out to the edges, front to back, making sure you've got no air bubbles before you pull the backing paper off. Sometimes it goes over the edge, which can't be helped, but you can trim that later to make it perfect. And if we start very, very carefully by pulling the edge up, pull it back gently, checking that the black is left on the panel, using your finger just to push it back if need be, just very gently before you get it started. And then hold that down with the cloth and gently pull back, keep going all the way. Like so. As with the main stripe, find the centre with your finger and centre it to the middle of the grille rut there in the centre, and align it from the edge to the mark that you've made at 154mm. Start at one end, working it back towards the grille like so, pushing the air out as you go, just as we did before with the main stripe. And then to the edge, take the air out till you're happy that there's no bubbles left, and then gently, as before, peel back the backing paper, pushing back the black stripe if need be, like so, and then wipe off the excess dry marker. There we have one finished panel. Okay, the first thing that we do, which is not what everyone else does, to get an approximation of where the flag goes, GP flag, is to get a reference point, and that's draw a line horizontally off the bottom of the eye badge. Okay, little mark there, as so, and then we approximately go 20mm approximately off of that downwards to the first black mark of the flag, and then 30mm along the same line inwards of 20, 30. Holding the flag up, the GP flag up to the leg shields, the very slight difference, which is hard to notice, is that the 1, 2, 3 blocks as opposed to 1, 2 blocks goes to the right hand side. That's important. As you peel off the deckle or sticker, be careful making sure that the black flag, little sticker, stays to the backing paper before you apply. Here we go to the measurements. Okay, push the air out from the centre to the edges to make sure there's no air bubbles, and then when you're happy that it's stuck down properly and firmly, you can then carefully peel back the backing paper, making sure that the black sticker stays on the bodywork very gently, very gently. There we go. Excellent. And then you can rub away the dry marker very carefully. However, if you're fitting an ink splot, the single splot on the right hand side goes towards a horn cast.